Sa gitna man ng daan, mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyosan ba ako dinadala? Bawat ngiting biglang nabura, iyong naipinta, hiwaga ng iyong tingin nang naalipin kahit saan man madala.
Bicol University is a university for humanity characterized by productive scholarship, collaborative service, distinctive character, and transformative leadership for sustainable societies. For more than 50 years, Bicol University has produced top-notchers, globally competitive students, and successful graduates that shape the university's mission and vision. With different campuses all over the Bicol region, Bicol University has reached more than one area to cater to students from different provinces. Bicol University is also recognized as one of the top-performing schools in the country, allowing more students to thrive in their careers. The College of Arts and Letters was established in 2004, now having 5 programs: Bachelor of Arts in Communication, Bachelor of Performing Arts, Bachelor of Arts in English Language, Bachelor of Arts in Journalism, and Bachelor of Arts in Literature.
Why did I choose Bicol University? I guess it's other way around. Bicol University chose me. It is more than just a school. It is a community. It is known for academic excellence, but what drew me the most is their culture, the culture of growth and services. Here, we taught not just to learn, but to lead, serve, and make a difference. And that kind of environment, I knew it was where I belong. Why Bachelor of Arts and Communication? Because communication is a power. It shapes ideas, it changes minds, and it connects people. I chose BA Communication because I want to tell stories, stories that matter, stories that spark changes and make people feel and bring communities closer. Bicol gave me the platform to grow my voice and use it meaningfully through media, public speaking, and writing, which I love the most.
My goal as a student goes beyond just earning good grades or receiving awards. As a communication student, I am here to grow into someone who uses my voice to uplift others, to challenge ideas, and to build a future where stories can inspire change. I want to develop not just skills, but a heart that listens, speaks, and connects for my family, my community, and for everyone who still believes in the power of dreams. Here at Bicol University, I'm learning that communication isn't just about speaking, it's about making an impact. Every lesson, every project, every story I tell is helping me become someone who can turn dreams into reality.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan. Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan, may dumadapong kiliti na di